Hello guys, Sanjay here and welcome back to a new video in which we are going to talk about the Redmi A1 Plus, a device which does not come with MIUI, and this is a device by Xiaomi, by the way. It is quite interesting. We'll talk about the software experience as well. So Redmi A1 Plus has some extra addition like 3GB RAM, 32GB internal storage variant, and it also has a fingerprint sensor. It also comes with a HD 6.52 inch display. Let's open the box. We have already unboxed the phone. हम लोग ने थोड़ा use भी कर लिया है, and you are going to get a charger inside the box. By the way, this is a 10-watt charger in the box, and the device does not support that. The device does not have any fast charging. Basically, you are also going to get a micro USB cable inside the box because the device, yes, you heard it right and you saw it right, comes with a micro USB port in the year 2022. We are almost in the year 2023, but I do realize that devices like Redmi 9 Active, Redmi 10A also have micro USB ports, and when it comes to budget of below 7,000 rupees or 8,000 rupees, it is going to be a little bit difficult for brands to get USB type C port. Maybe I'm not really sure why and how they can't really get it, but completely fine. Let's go with the Redmi A1 Plus now. I have the blue color variant, and this looks fantastic. It looks fresh, it looks refreshing, and if you are planning to buy the Redmi A1 Plus, I would definitely recommend this blue color variant. You do get dual camera setups. Obviously, you do not expect a lot of things from a sub 10K smartphone. Now, Redmi A1 Plus can click decent pictures. These are some of the sample shots that we have clicked with the Redmi A1 Plus itself. Now, in good lighting conditions, the pictures, I would say, look good, but the camera is not really, you can't really expect a lot of things like from what you can expect from a 15,000 rupees smartphone. You can't expect the same thing from the Redmi A1 Plus itself. It gets the job done. I would say it clicks decent pictures at max. You can look at this screen recording, by the way, where the top part is not being okay. As I said, the camera is not going to be as good as a 15,000 rupees smartphone, but for the price tag of 7 to 8,000 rupees, this is decent camera. Now, if we look at the display, which I feel like is the biggest plus point of the device, this is okay. This is too bright for the device. This is the maximum brightness. And the maximum brightness on this device is pretty good. Surprisingly, I am very happy with the display quality as well. The display viewing angles are also very good. Even though this is a HD panel, meaning 720p panel only, watching YouTube videos from different angles is perfectly fine. And as this device comes with 5000 mAh battery, you do not have to worry about battery life. You can get through one single day without any issues. Now let's talk about the software experience, because this is not your MIUI, but if you open the camera application, you can see that this is MIUI camera application, and as soon as you open the camera application, you get this small green dot over here. We do have, this is very surprising and a very good move. Even though this does not have MIUI, it comes with MIUI dialer. Now this is, I guess, a toned down version of MIUI dialer, and you do get call recording feature over here, which is very surprising. We do have the Google messaging application here, but you can completely discard this and use Xiaomi's own messaging application. Like Xiaomi's dialer and messaging application, it's so good. I have no idea why Google is forcing everyone to use their own Google dialer and Google messages. That is not good at all. I'm very happy with this move by Xiaomi. And when it comes to software, as you can see, there is not a lot of bloatware, literally no bloatware if you ask me, because Netflix application is the only app that I can see. We do have nothing else actually, Mint themes, but that's okay. This is just to make sure you can theme your phone a little bit, and that's it's not a lot. So I'll just apply this to the home screen. You can change wallpapers basically from here. I'll just go back, and this is how the device is going to perform. I'll just open settings application, and it is going to take like literally 2 seconds to load up, which is fine, I guess. And I have not even installed a single application, third-party application from Play Store or anywhere, and still the device is taking a little bit of time. Considering 3GB RAM and Helio A22 processor, I am okay with that. Now, when it comes to device, there is not a lot of information here, but this is a 3GB RAM variant with 32GB internal storage. Now, there are a couple of things that I want to talk about. That there is a microphone over here, micro USB port, which I already talked about. 3.5mm headphone jack is also present, but the speaker is present at the top. It is not present at the back. It is not present at the bottom. It is present at the top, which is quite surprising to me. Experience is different, but you can definitely get used to the top firing speaker in like a couple of days, so that's not an issue. So overall build quality of the device is decent at this particular price point, and this brings me to the fingerprint sensor, which is present over here. I'll just keep my finger and the device gets unlocked. I'll just keep my finger and the device does get unlocked. It is not super fast, but at the price tag of 8,000 rupees, I would say this is very fast for a fingerprint sensor to perform like this. Now, next point that we are going to talk about is, I feel, the most important point, pricing. Because 3GB RAM variant with 32GB of internal storage starts at 7,500 rupees, and the 4GB RAM variant with 64GB of internal storage starts at 8,500 rupees. Now, you do not get MIUI over here. So if you are someone who is looking for a MIUI free experience from Xiaomi device, then definitely this is the best device that you can go for, because Xiaomi makes like two devices right now, Redmi A1 and the A1 Plus. And Redmi A1 Plus with fingerprint sensor, 3GB RAM, 32GB of internal storage is possibly the best device that Xiaomi makes without MIUI. Personally, I do not have any issues with MIUI. I use the Xiaomi 11 Ultra, not Ultra, sorry. 11 Ultra kabhi use ही नहीं किया. I use the Xiaomi 11T Pro, which has MIUI, and I enjoy MIUI completely. So I'm not against MIUI as such. But if you have budget of 8,000 rupees, I know this is very difficult to say these days, because me saying a single negative point about a device is like, oh, ऐसे कैसे बोल दिया यार. But let me tell you, at the price tag of 8,000 rupees, I'm quite surprised with the pricing. This one comes with Helio A22, 2GB RAM, 32GB of internal storage at 7,500 rupees, whereas you can get the Redmi 9 Active at 8,000 rupees with 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage, Helio G25 processor, but it has MIUI as I mentioned. So 3GB RAM variant is 8,500 rupees. Over there you can get Redmi 10A, which comes with 4GB RAM, 64GB internal storage, and it also has 8,599 pricing. But when I was shooting this video, it also has 800 rupees some coupon, so it comes below 8,000 rupees for 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, and Helio G35 processor. So I feel like Redmi 10A, if you have budget of 8,000 rupees, is like such a good deal and better deal, because 4GB RAM milega, 64GB internal storage, which matters a lot in this particular price point. But if you are looking for a MIUI free experience, stock Android like experience, which this device definitely provides. Just in case if I did not show you, this one comes with Android 12 Go edition. This is not your regular Android 12, whereas those devices which I mentioned, Redmi 9 Active and the Redmi 10A, come with regular Android, and that's why they need more RAM as well, 4GB RAM and 64GB of internal storage. So necessary nahi, but RAM to definitely necessary hai. I hope this video is helpful for you to make a decision whether to buy Redmi A1 Plus or not. Definitely buy the blue variant if you are planning to buy this device. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. What are your thoughts? Would you prefer buying this device at the price tag of 8,000 rupees? If yes, then why? If not, then which other device would you buy? Let me know in the comments below. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for watching.